Welcome to the marvelous world of Oculus Christi, or the Eye of Christ as ancient physicians call clary sage, due to its miracle curing power. I'm Liana, and let me introduce you to clary sage, the herb that's been considered for centuries as magical medicine from the earth. There are 2,400 strains of sage. The most common is the spice you use to flavor your Thanksgiving turkey. But the Eye of Christ, that's a different breed. Since the dawn of history in the Bible, Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans alike all used this special healing flower to cure infertility, to treat ulcers and wounds, and to improve memory. Clary sage was also taken to enhance visions during meditation. Recently, omega-3 was discovered in clary sage. Omega-3, as you know, are fatty acids crucial to the body. Today, omega-3 is the #1 food supplement taken to ensure a healthy future. Omega-3 usually comes from fish, so to find it in sage, that's truly a breakthrough.